Hello, I'm Kevin, VK6LW Whiskey. Today I'm taking a look at the 37 metre Delta Loop on-ground receive antenna. So we have the terminating resistor at one end, feed point at the other. The base wire is modelled at 15mm above the ground. The apex is at 6.7 metres and the base wire is 16 metres long, which makes it a pretty effective compact receive antenna for the low bands. The pattern is good, it's got nice front to back. Good effective gain off the front, and you can see the low angle response here at the -3 dB point is very good for working DX. Above all, this is a quiet antenna. Having the base wire on the ground, I've found, has made these antennas very quiet. So we go from 160 and we go to 80 meters, and you can see here the pattern is quite similar. A little bit more effective gain on 80 meters due to the proportionate size of the antenna. Same terminating resistor, same feed point location.